Hello everyone, my name is Ali Jafari, work for Excel as a consultant. Today I want to demo you a fraud detection application I developed with all open source tools using Apache Kafka and KSQL, one of the Confluent components. And I want to demo you just to see how simply we can create a fascinating um, application. So on this screen, as you see, I am simulating data. Basically, I'm inserting data to my database, which is RDS instance Postgres flavor. And I use Debezium CDC tools with Kafka Connect, which is open source, great tools. All it does, listen to transaction logs from my database and push it to Kafka. And here, let's just insert one fraud, which is 4 records from Mr. Escobar. And we should see some spike here soon. Come on. It takes a bit time, not because of data is not real time, because of um, the tools that I'm using for visualization. So, and you got it. This is just a visualization piece. For example, if you hook something to send a text message uh, um, as a result of fraud, then it would be real time. It would be immediate action. But here, since I'm refreshing every 5 seconds from the Prometheus, which is the metrics gathering tools, every 15, 20 seconds I gather data. That's why we have a little bit of lag. But again, data is real time. Now, what I am using to build this is again all open source. Let's see what we have. I am using 3-node Kafka. We can see it here immediately. And as you can see, this piece I have 3-node Kafka, and I have 3-node Zookeeper, and my rest of the services like Debezium, KSQL, um, Kafka Consumer, and Grafana, they are hosted on the EC2 instances. Now let's see AWS. So if I go to EC2 instances, you will see shortly I have, let's filter it with Kafka. I have 3 Kafka brokers, you can see here, and I have 3 zookeepers. I use Prometheus as monitoring and Mrs. Ball again. Prometheus. I use oh come on. So you can see here I use Prometheus as, oh, I misspelled Prometheus here, that's why. I use Prometheus, as you can see here, I use Prometheus as metrics server. And if I go to ECS cluster, I have four services, microservices here. Kafka consumer, which is Java app, listen to processed um, topic, processed data, and help for visualization. Grafana is open source for visualization. Debezium Connect is connector open source that listen to transaction log and push it to Kafka. And KSQL Server is SQL language for Kafka. KSQL Server is a SQL language for Kafka that we can use it for processing data. Again, all open source, and we can have this beautiful gadget. And you can see data is still coming, and we can see everything live here. Thank you very much.